What's up guys, this is What's Short, and today I have a new product for you. Now this product was sent to me by a company on Instagram. They reached out, they said, do you want to test something? I said, yeah, why not? Why wouldn't I? So, this is a company called Oivo or Oivo. I'm not sure how to pronounce their name properly, so I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. But they sent me this, and they specialize in gaming accessories. So, for a fun little comparison, we could try theirs with PlayStations. So right off the bat, they both look aesthetically the same. They match the PS5, which is what you want in something like this. Now, the complete difference is size, but the size is only different because this one has LED lights that will turn on, and they will basically show you blue is when your controller is fully charged, red is when your controller is charging. That is something very good, very interesting. If you don't want any of the lights to actually show up, there is an on and off switch on here, but you could turn the lights on and off. Your choice if you want it on, but having it on looks really cool next to your PS5, so you probably are going to want it on. Now, on top of that, this comes with the charger with two USB ports into it, and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charger. Now, my only thing is that these two USB ports, I don't know why they chose that, because honestly I'd rather have two USB Type-Cs on one USB port. That's a personal preference, but I feel like that would have made more sense, but you know, I'm not them, the company, I'm just a guy testing it and giving my thoughts. Now another thing is, I wish this part wasn't black because this shows all the dust. PlayStation actually has it, but it's white. And you can't even see it. It blends in so well with it. But you don't see the dust on it at all. So that's my one little iffy thing. This thing does work great. It works just as good, and it charges just as fast as Sony's. Maybe a little bit faster. On the box, you can see intelligent protection, which means this will stop charging your controller if your controller is already fully charged. Which I've tested that, and it does work. Now, I think I really like about this is that this has like blue lights that match the PS5's turn-on aesthetic. When you turn on a PS5, you know there's blue lights. This has the blue lights. Now the only thing that would have made this better is those blue lights turned white, just like the PS5. Now they stay solidly blue, but that's totally fine. Still, this is something very cool, very nice, and I'm so happy the company reached out to me. If you guys ever wanted to send me more stuff, I'd be happy to go over it. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but they did say I was allowed to it and do my review. Now, is there anything I would change about this? Yes, you heard my one opinion. The bottom part would be changed. I'd do what Sony does. That'd be excellent. Excellent. But other than that, I wouldn't change much. Maybe the LED lights turning white after they turned on. You know, if they wanted to make a version 2 of this, which would be cool. But other than that, I wouldn't change anything. This product does work completely great. And if you can't find Sony's, this is a good alternative. And if you did find Sony's but you wanted a lower price because this was too expensive, this is $18 as far as I know. Reach out to them on Instagram and say that What's Short sent you. They might give you a 50% off code. I don't know. Go check it out. See what they tell you. But anyways, that's it for me. I'm going to be trying to make more videos. If I get any more products sent to me, I will do more reviews of those products. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, smash the like button, completely obliterate that like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time.